Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to a WIP Wednesday. WIP Wednesday is a super quick, short little episode just showing you what I am working on currently. And if you're not sure what WIP is, it is work in progress. So that is a little word we use for it. It's kind of more fun to say. And I have a lot of WIPs on the go. I have one more, but it's kind of UFO-ish at the time. So this is what I'm actually working on. If you are new to the channel and just popping by for the first time, my name is Krista, and this is A Secret Yarnery. This channel is all about crochet and crochet-related goodness, so thanks for inviting me over. If you're into any of that, just hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell beside that so you don't miss out on any of the fun. Whew. That was a lot of talking. So what I'm actively working on right now, like in the last couple days, Cakes Baby Fine, yes I am. Cakes Baby Fine. I'm loving this yarn a lot. This is what's actually on my hook. Crunkled up, wrinkled up granny. But I have two that are finished. Da, da, da. So I'm making three, and then I'm gonna film the fourth, like as a tutorial. All like that. I don't know what the name of the square is, but I like it. So it's basically just popcorns in the corners and granny square the rest of the way, just traditional granny square. So I'm making 4 of these to make a poncho. I need more hands, but it'll be like this kind. Maybe you can get an idea for it. So one on each sleeve, and one front and back. Is that how it goes? I don't know, something like that. I have to figure it out. Does it go like that? I honestly don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna figure it out. So my general rule of thumb, what I'm doing is I am making 1 cake into 1 square. So I have 6 cakes, because ice yarn comes in packs of 3. So I have 2 packs of the same colorway, Cakes Baby Fine. And I will be making 4 of these granny squares and then joining them together. You know what I mean. You know how to join it together. So that is what I'm totally digging at the moment. I have 2 done, I'm on my 3rd, and I will be filming the 4th. Current WIP. Another Cakes Baby Fine project. Cakes Baby Fine. You can see I'm on a roll, right? I have done 1 cake. I'm on my 2nd cake. Am I on my 2nd cake? I think I did start my 2nd cake of granny squares. Look at all those nice gradient colors that come from 1 cake. Love it. So I want to join it in a gray and kind of do a gradient diamond blanket going up, which means I need to also be making granny triangles or half granny squares to fill in the edges. So then I was like, oh, because now I have to make sure I have the right color for the triangles. I have to lay it out, and yeah. So that's kind of gone back to a planning stage and doing triangles. This beauty, this is ready to be filmed. This is my Picasso spiral, which I love. It can be made in any self-color changing yarn. This is half a pack of Picasso, so 4 balls and 2 skeins of Favorite in white. So it's done in a spiral. So there's no stepping up, and all you have to do is keep going around. And it's a perfect square. It doesn't wonk out at the edges, like, some are like, they kind of go like that, like too many stitches. This lays perfectly flat. So I really love it. Yes, doing a tutorial, it is ready to be filmed. So that is sitting here waiting to be filmed. So basically from 1 pack of Favorite and 1 pack of Picasso, you can make 2 baby blankets or 1 larger blanket. Love it, gonna film that. This is just something fun I've been doing occasionally. This is with Lorena Worsted in Easter colors. I want to make little Easter baskets. Isn't that cute? cute. So my rule of thumb, let me see if I can show you. I'm gonna do a bunch of small pink ones. Purple is the next size up. Where's my turquoisey? Then turquoise is gonna be even larger. And where are you, green? And then green is the next size after. So it's just one more row on your granny square to make baskets of different sizes. I thought they'd be super cute, just kind of around on your desk or anything like that. So those are just adorable. Working on those, I'm going to be filming the turquoise one. I have almost my pieces put together. I am using Lorena worsted, and I'm using a small hook, which is why I'm not really going very fast at it. I am using a 4mm with a worsted weight yarn. So it's nice and tight. They do keep their, it does keep its shape. But not the most fun. It's a small hook and a fat yarn, so I just do a bit every now and again. Just kind of get a couple squares ready, joining them together just with single crochet. So that's kind of super easy and quick. But how cute. So I want to get those done before Easter. And is that all my WIPs? I want to say yes. I do have a finished object. I don't know if you can see it or not. Is my room even clean? I don't even know. Okay, you can technically see it, but that is not for today. So thanks so much for inviting me over and spending this time with me. I super enjoyed it. Tell me what you're working on, what your works in progress are down in the comments below this video. And thanks for inviting me over. Have a great day and stay hooked. Oh my gosh, it's so hot, right? What is with the weather? I'm not complaining, don't get me wrong. Maybe I am complaining. Am I complaining? I shouldn't be complaining. I need a fan. I need to go fan shopping just to get some air in here.